The Hunger Games universe is expanding with The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Get all the latest details about the highly anticipated prequel, The Fire Will Burn Forever. Suzanne Collins' best-selling Hunger Games prequel, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, is getting the movie treatment. The cast has already assembled and filming is underway. The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes will dive into the backstory of the one and only President Snow. His rise to power was full of twists and turns, particularly when it comes to the one and only Lucy Gray Baird. On top of the film being a Hunger Games prequel, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes will feature incredible music. Hollywood Life has all the latest updates regarding the cast, release date, and more. When will the movie be released? The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes will be released on November 17, 2023. Lionsgate announced the film's release date during their CinemaCon presentation in April 2022, along with a brief teaser that wasn't released publicly at the time. The teaser later debuted during the MTV Movie TV Awards in June 2022. You're invited to return to the games in 2023. The world will discover who is a songbird and who is a snake, the message in the teaser read. The teaser didn't feature any footage of the film. The teaser opens with frozen tree branches, a songbird, and a snake.